Hi, this is Tim from Rehab My Patient, and I'm going to show you how to do the import function so you can put your patient list into Rehab My Patient. So what you want to do first of all is just navigate to settings, and you'll see we've got lots of different cool settings that you can use here, and quite often people don't notice actually what you can do with the software, but there is this very cool import export function. So we'll just click import export. Now you need to have a CSV file. A CSV file is a little bit like an Excel file, but it's just saved in a slightly different way. We'll run through that in a minute. So let's open our Excel document. And here's our Excel document. Now, in most cases, this information is exported from your practice management software. Now, if you want us to integrate with your practice management software, please let us know. And if your software has external APIs, we've got external APIs and we can connect with other softwares relatively easily. It may just take a couple of weeks of developer time, but we're really happy to integrate with your software. So the best thing you can do is email us and email your software together and say, hey guys, can you two integrate? Now, if not, export your patient information from your practice management software or from your database and enter these details: first underscore name, last underscore name, title, email, and date underscore of underscore birth. So these are the headers for the columns. Input the patient details. So let's add Jenny Jones, and it's Jenny Jones at gmail.com, and her date of birth is the 5th of the 5th, 1999. You don't need to enter all of these details, so if you don't know the date of birth, that's fine. You don't have to enter the date of birth, or you haven't got a title, or if you haven't got an email, that's okay. You can just leave them blank. Good, that's now entered. So the next thing we need to do is to save our file. Now we need to save it as a CSV file. So we're going to click File, Save As, and we'll just find now we need to select the CSV, delimited. So that's CSV, delimited file. Okay, and just click that and click Save. Good. Now we'll close this down and we'll go to our import export patient. We're going to choose our file. So we're going to search and we're going to go CSV, and there's my CSV folder. And we're first of all going to test the CSV. That looks good, so I can see it's going to import everything in the right place. We're going to now re-upload the file again, and we're going to click import, press OK, and that's done. Now if I go to my patients, here it is. So Jack Smith, John Smith and Jenny Jones are now in my database. Once you've imported your patients, you can go and continue to prescribe exercise plans to them very easily just by clicking on their name and bringing up the patient dashboard. Okay, good. So you can also do exporting function as well. Now in most cases you probably won't need to, but I'll just show you how to do that in case you do. Go to settings, import export, and export patient list, and it will save it at the bottom. We'll open that up, press yes, and here's our patient list here. Good, so that's all done, and that's the video completed. Enjoy using Rehab My Patient, and thank you for being part of a brilliant Rehab My Patient community.